In this video, I'm going to teach you how to move a ClickUp space to another workspace using a simple template method. Stick around until the end to make your ClickUp life easier. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the workspace where the space you want to move is located. In the Space section, select the space you want to copy and click the three dots next to it. This will open more options for that space. Click Templates and choose Save as Template to create a reusable version of the space. This will let you transfer it later. Just put a name for it that you prefer, then click Save Template to save your space as a template. In the Workspace section, click the plus button, then choose Use Template to start adding it to the new workspace. Click Workspace Template, then choose the template you saved earlier from the list. Click Use Template, then choose the workspace where you want to copy it. Confirm it by clicking Use Template again and you're done. And that's how you move a ClickUp space to another workspace. If you found this useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and easy ClickUp tutorials. See you next time!